Many homeowners assume that a cleaner, more hypoallergenic home can only come with hard surface flooring. So how can you enjoy the stylish, warm, soft flooring you love while minimizing the presence of allergens in your home? Aero from Mohawk is the only hypoallergenic soft flooring in the industry, the game changer we've all been waiting for. Aero's completely unique and innovative unified construction will not absorb any moisture from the surface all the way through to the attached premium pad, helping prevent the growth of allergens such as mold and mildew. This unique construction also gives Aero 50% better airflow when vacuuming, releasing dust, dirt, and pet dander more easily. Aero is offered in a wide range of attractive options for great design capability. Engineered with just one material, Aero is completely VOC and latex-free with no new carpet smell. As the only 100% recyclable soft flooring available, Aero is better for our homes and our planet. We know that having a clean home is a top priority, and Aero is helping people achieve that goal in their everyday lives. Experience pure peace of mind with Aero.